Welcome, health enthusiasts, to a journey into the incredible world of Tulsi, nature's treasure trove of wellness and vitality. Today, we unveil the wondrous health benefits hidden within the sacred Tulsi leaf. Get ready to discover the miraculous powers of this ancient herb, revered for centuries for its healing properties. Join us as we unlock the secrets of Tulsi, a powerhouse of health and well-being. Tulsi, also known as Holy Basil, isn't just a herb, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's dive into the top 10 reasons why this sacred leaf has been cherished across cultures for its extraordinary healing potential. Benefit number 1: Tulsi, the stress buster extraordinaire. With its adaptogenic properties, this miraculous herb helps combat stress, promote relaxation, and restore balance in our hectic lives. Benefit number 2: its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Tulsi is a natural warrior against inflammation, helping alleviate various ailments and promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. Benefit number 3: the immune system's ally. Tulsi acts as a shield, bolstering our immune defenses and fortifying our body against illnesses and infections. Benefit number 4: a detox powerhouse. Tulsi supports detoxification, helping rid our bodies of toxins and promoting a cleaner, healthier internal environment. Benefit number 5: the gut's best friend. Tulsi aids in digestion, soothing the stomach, and promoting a happy, healthy digestive system. These health benefits are just the beginning. Countless individuals have embraced the healing powers of Tulsi, experiencing revitalization, renewed energy, and a zest for life. So, dear friends, let us harness the incredible health benefits of Tulsi, a gift from nature that nurtures our body, mind, and spirit. Join us on this journey towards holistic well-being with Tulsi. Remember, within the embrace of this sacred leaf lies a treasure trove of health and vitality, waiting to be explored.